Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Accounting. Those who are new here, we want them to know that Easy Accounting is the India's first voice-controlled ERP system and GST-enabled accounting software based on voice recognition technology. Moreover, there are many unique features implemented in Easy Accounting which you might have never seen before. It is so easy and simplified that anyone can access it whenever they want with mobile or computer from anywhere in the world. For more details, you can watch the videos in description. Now let's continue. In today's video, we will see how you can make your work more faster with some tricks and shortcuts. Easy Accounting provides so many shortcuts in various ways, which makes any task more easy and fast throughout the software. However, as you know, using voice recognition feature is something like that, but there are some tricks you should know. Moreover, element shortcuts are covered in the main panel video. If you have not seen that video, then you should watch that video in description. First, we will talk about date element. You will find date elements to work with date. For instance, this is the date element of sale, which is used to set the date of sale invoice. To change this, we simply click on this and then select the desired date. But if you want to quickly set the date to today's date, then simply click on this black area. As you can see, the date is automatically selected to current date. So be careful and don't click on this black portion by mistake, because it will set the date as today. If you want to cancel and don't want to change the date, you can click on this cancel button. And if the selected date is okay, then you can click on this OK button. Now you can set the date to today's date or yesterday date by using the voice commands too. You can set date today or date aaj ka to set the date to today, and you can set date yesterday or date kal ka to set the date to yesterday. Date yesterday. Date today. If you want to set the date of current month, then you can simply say only date, like date 20, date 6 or date 22. Date 22. Now if you open your menu and take your mouse cursor to the options, then you can see the shortcut keys. For example, say this Ctrl+S for sale, Ctrl+U for purchase, and so on. You can view the shortcuts of each option by taking the mouse cursor there. But for some options you will not see this if the shortcut is not set for that option. For instance, you can see there is no shortcut for sale return. However, for the options without shortcut, you can use the voice command as shortcut. Now if you want to quickly select the particular option in select element, then you can type the spelling. For example, suppose here in the search element, we have so many options to select, but you want to select the option starting with N, then you can press the N button. And if you want to select options starting with Del, you can press DELL. Now if in the text element all the characters are selected and you want to change the value, then no need to delete them. Just enter your value, it will be automatically deleted. Now in any table you can highlight the desired rows. To understand this, suppose we add some items here. Now if we click on any row, it will be highlighted, and if we again click on it, then it will become normal. There are so many advantages of this feature according to the situation. Suppose you are giving any item in free like this. Then before printing the invoice, you can highlight the free items. And also there is a great advantage of this in Customer Manager. You can see this in Customer Management video in description. Now suppose in the transaction ledger of party, some details are missing. Say this. Now if this entry is not showing in the ledger provided by your party, then before sending your ledger to party, you can highlight this entry before print or email. Now you will see a great trick to duplicate any voucher. Suppose you have created this invoice with so many items and you want to make same invoice again, or there is a small change in the new invoice, then you can simply click on edit and then instead of edit button, click on cancel. Now you can see the modification of voucher is cancelled, but still there are details of that invoice here. If you want to make same invoice, then you can click on done.
Invoice successfully created.
Now you will see that both of these invoices are same. If there is a small change, like I want to change the party or add one more item in new invoice, then do the same process. So here we didn't need to repeat the same thing again and again. This trick is applied for almost everything. You can use this trick to create ledger, to create item, to create purchase, to create transactions, to create sale return of any sale, and for all others. Now let's see some tricks while sending email. Suppose you want to mail this detail. To enter email address, you can say email or value like this. Email amar54321agrwal@gmail.com. If you want to instantly enter your company email ID, just clear this email field and click on this email label, or you can also say email company. Email company. And to send the mail, click on send mail button.
Email is sent.
That's it, thanks for watching. Ultimately, we want you to know that if you want to have your dream project real, that is software or web application, you can call us or send an application request to us because we give you 100% satisfaction guarantee. Moreover, you can pay your project amount in EMI, that is easy monthly installment with 0% interest. So what are you waiting for? It's time to convert your dream to real life.